How students' desk work and its features. VIRTECH Lab simulation allows class 6 to 12 students to complete laboratory experiments online and explore abstract concepts and complex theories without stepping into a physical science lab. After login to its desk, a classroom with a laboratory coat on its left side, a file rack on its right. A blackboard filled up with the personal information of students in the center and a writing pad on the right side of the table is available. First, we see the writing pad features. To open the writing pad, do a single click on the pad. After opening the writing pad, there are 4 options: Notice, Practical, Your Progress, and Tutorial. In Notice, message sent by your respected teachers will be displayed here. In Practical, you will get information about practicals like their folder numbers, etc. Your Progress feature will be provided in the future as it is under development. And for any type of help, you can search in Tutorials. After that, as it's important in the chemistry lab to wear a lab coat, so by clicking on it you can wear a virtual lab coat. Practicals available in the VIRTECH Lab are based on NCERT. Now let's get some theoretical help in this virtual practical lab, and for that, we have a textbook fully NCERT based on this. You just have to click the file available on the right side in the file rack, and there you have it. On the right side you have bookmarks like Introduction, Theory, Experiment, etc. Click on them, and then for turning pages you have page number here. For turning page backward we have buttons here. Let them help you in your learning process. And then finally this red button starts practical and will redirect you to the virtual lab.